¿Cómo puede ser verdad?
Last night I dreamt of San Pedro. Just like I had never gone, I knew the song. A young girl with eyes like the desert. It all seems like yesterday, not far away. Tropical, the island breeze, all of nature wild and free. This is where I long to be, La Isla Bonita. And where the samba plays, the sun would set so high